With all these ingredients here, I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy red Thai curry paste. Hello and welcome to this edition of Majid's Kitchen. Let's get right into the ingredients. Let's begin with the main ingredient, which is the red Thai spur chili. This is not a very hot chili, unlike other varieties, and is really good for this purpose. So I have about a dozen to 15 chilies that have been de-seeded and are soaking in water to soften. I have garlic and ginger. If you have galangal, use galangal. I'm using ordinary ginger here. Some chopped shallot, finely chopped lemongrass. I have 3 different types of spices: white peppercorns, roasted cumin seeds and roasted coriander seeds, shrimp paste, some coarse salt. If you have cilantro roots, use the cilantro roots as they are more flavorsome. Cilantro roots are more flavorsome. I'm using the cilantro stems and finely chopped kaffir lime leaf. Using a mortar and pestle, we're going to start by adding the dry spices: white peppercorns, cumin seeds and coriander seeds, and pound them until they're nice and smooth. Okay, just like this. Next, we add in the chili. So I've dried this chili, strained the water out and used a paper towel just to get the excess water out so that it's not wet. That goes in there, and we're going to add the salt. So I'm going to start off with half of the salt. And back to the grindstone. This is going to take some time. I'll show you what it looks like. Now, some people don't mind a bit of the coarse chili texture in their dishes, but generally, depending on what you're making, that is, we usually make it nice and smooth for a base. So this is a base and we're going to make it smooth. It's a Thai curry paste. But for other dishes, generally you could stop there. Okay, we have a nice paste here. To this, I'm going to add in the lesser ginger, or the ginger galangal. We'll leave the garlic for later. The lemongrass goes in, coriander root or stems, the kaffir lime leaf. So what we have left remaining is the shrimp paste, some salt, garlic and some shallots. The rest is in the mortar and pestle and we'll work on that. Okay, now we add the shallots and the garlic. And get that into a smooth paste. Now the thing is, if you are not energetic and you want to use a blender, there is a chance that you will have to add some liquid, some water to it, so that you can get it actually into a paste or smooth. But then you may be also watering it down. So I prefer to do this if it's not too much of a big batch, and you get a better quality. So we'll be back with the smooth paste. Okay, at this stage I'll be adding in the shrimp paste. I've tasted it. I'm adding in the salt. Okay, my workout for today is done, and that's all there is to it. You can store this in an airtight container 2 weeks and use some examples to use your red Thai curry paste, tom yum rice and tom yum soup, fish cakes, and chicken curry, to name a few. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching Majid's Kitchen.